The sixth and final location or area we'll be looking at is Australia. The threat that is present in Australia surrounds the large amount of greenhouse gases that exist in the atmosphere there. The presence of greenhouse gases such as CO2 can have many effects on a region such as Australia and can be directly connected to the increase in average temperatures that are being seen across the area of Australia, as well as the decrease in rainfall within the specific region of southwestern Australia. Australia is a vulnerable place due to the fact that, according to the Australian Bureau of Statistics, Australia is known as one of the highest per capita emitters around the world, accounting for 1.5% of total greenhouse gas emissions. According to Chapter 25, the effects of large-scale greenhouse gas presences in Australia can lead there to be a shift in the production of certain agricultural items. For those regions that experience an increase in temperature from the higher levels of CO2 present, there can also be a change seen in water availability for vegetation and society as a whole. According to Chapter 25, the effects of a large-scale greenhouse gas presence in Australia can also impact communities in the region as well. One such impact on communities would be the fact that if there is an increase in heat waves, this can then have a large-scale impact on human health in that region. Another effect that can be viewed as a positive in this case, however, would be the fact that through an increase in temperature from these gases, there could be a reduced energy demand for winter heating in the southern parts of Australia. The issues surrounding greenhouse gas emissions can be easily overcome through one simple solution. Australia simply needs to actively work on reducing their greenhouse gas emission rates. While this is a general concept, the process of getting there can be an intricate and complex one that requires a multitude of people and groups coming together to work towards this end goal. The Australian government can assist in these efforts by stepping in and setting standards as to the maximum amount of emissions that businesses and other corporations and factories can emit into the environment. Another possible strategy would be to utilize the tax method. This method is when the government once again steps up and places a tax on the amount of emission that is released by a company over the allotted amount given.